So the last time I made a video about this particular project, I wanted to share with you guys some simple strategy that I do apply to my own account that help me to make money, like scale up in a way that I basically get to make money every time. Alright. Now if you check my balance right here, you're going to notice that I've actually almost reached minimum withdrawal. Like I told you guys, we have an ongoing challenge, and this particular challenge is for us to generate from $0 to about $50, right? So you have to take every single update and post it serious. You have to be very serious, very active with those updates, and you're going to be making some money for it. All right. Now I'm going to share with you guys some simple things you need to apply to your own account and the step-by-step guide on how you can basically like make money from them. So this is the first thing that you need to know. The first session is very simple and it will automatically help you to like make money as long as you have your account upgraded. And the easy part about this is that if you want to upgrade your account, this is one of the easiest way that I've actually used on this particular project. Now, for you to upgrade your account, you can easily deposit and withdraw back what you deposit into your account. Mind you, I just repeated just now, right? You can easily deposit and withdraw back what you deposit into your account. So this is one thing you're going to be doing. For you to upgrade your account from the stone level to the iron level, I've actually used similar project like this before, and this particular one I'm just using it to demonstrate things to you guys. All right, you come to the deposit section, which is provided right over here. Then you have to basically like copy out the wallet address which is provided, make a deposit. If it is $10 worth of ton, make that deposit into your account. Now once you make the deposit into your account, the next thing you need to go is to go to the game section right over here and then click on the dice, and then you have to basically be on the secure side. Right, then once you click on the dice, you come over right here. You can type in the amount of ton that you basically have. If it is $10 worth of ton, right? A simple trick that you can apply to your own account, which is going to like help you to make money. So this space in particular, this option right over here. So I have over 0.02. So if I click on 0.02 right now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on to row. So once I row, all right. So if I scroll down, you're going to notice right here that this is the amount of profit that I make. But with your 10 ton, you will make more than this. So that is one thing you basically need to know. With your 10 ton, you'll make more than this. And once you do this once, you just step out of here. That is basically all. If you do this once, you step out of here. If you come to your first session and you look at your level, all right, you're going to notice that your level will increase very well. First things first, you've made a deposit. Second thing, you'll play the game. It will increase very well. And mind you, this is going to allow you to generate profit and at the same time upgrade your level. So once your level gets to upgrade, you're going to be able to make more money from the iron level. So if you have $10, you can purchase ton and send it to your account, and that is basically all. It's very simple. Then once you're done, once you do that once, you can go over and request for withdrawal. The withdrawal is very simple, and the withdrawal amount is even very low. All right, it's about 0.1 ton. So if you have your $10 worth of ton, you send it over to your account, you play just one game one time, you're going to notice how your level automatically increases. Please don't be greedy, because that one time will generate you profit, but it doesn't mean that you should continue playing. All right, you can do this once every single day, and I guarantee you're going to be able to generate profit. So this is just like a simple trick that I have not actually like made mention to anybody, and I'm just coming out here to be playing with you guys so you can know every single steps you will need to apply to your own account. All right, now aside this, you can also go and do some surveys which are provided on the platform. All right, the survey sessions are provided on the platform, which you can participate on the surveys and make something out of it for yourself. So the survey session, it comes within the time, all right? And there are times you basically do not have surveys on your own account. So I currently do not have anyone. And aside this, you can also check out other games. Now, the amount you are depositing to your account, don't use it to play all the games right over here. Either you use the profit you generated from that amount. So if you generate profit from the amount you deposit into your account, remove the amount you deposit, which is the 10 ton or $10 worth of ton. Remove the $10 worth of ton from your account, and then the next thing you basically need to do is for you to go over and then play games, all these games right over. If you know any of them that you basically get yourself familiar with, you can play those games with them. All right, so like I told you guys, The dice game right over here, this is one of the easiest game you can play on this particular project right now. It's very simple, very, very simple. All right. So once you come over, all you have to do is just to make sure this green side is more exposed than the red side. And whenever you land on the red side, you're losing your money. So you just have to be careful. Now, you see right now that I've played again and I've made some certain amount of points. So you check right here, you're going to be seeing your points right over here. The more you expose the red side, the more your opportunity of making money. The more you expose the green side, the lesser the opportunity of you making big amount of money. All right. So make sure to be on the safer side. It's better to be on the safer side and not to be on the safer side. So that is one thing I want you all to know about this update. It is very simple. You do not have to be greedy. All right. You also have to play other games which are still provided right here. There are a lot of games that are provided right here, such as the Limbo. All right. Now this is the Limbo right over here. In case you don't know how to play the Limbo, I'm going to show you guys how to play the Limbo. All right. Now, once you click on this icon right here, this rocket automatically boosts up. Wherever you explode, that is where you're basically expecting your profit to. So let's say we're expecting to go for about 1.5. Let me type in 1.5 right now. All right. So let's say we're targeting 1.5, and this is the amount of Toncoin that I basically want to enter this game with. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to click on it right now. All right. And if he wins, you're going to see the green icon. So once you see, it lands on 1.03. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is that since I have a loss on that game, I'm going to increase it to 2x. Then I'm going to reduce this 1.5 to 1.03. 1.03. All right. Let me reduce this. So 1.03. All right. Then what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to click on it. All right, give it time. You see, it went up to 8.6. So if I eventually plan to go with like 5 or with like 5x right now, and I type in 5x on this particular box right here, this is my target multiplier, I would have been able to generate bigger amount of profit. So that is something you should know. It's very simple. All right. If you lose, you reduce your expectation, you increase your balance. If you win, you reduce your balance, you increase your expectation. That is just basically it. And it works very well. This is how I basically make money from here. You see right here, I have minimized the amount of losses that I'm getting. I've maximized the amount of profit that I'm gaining. All right. So you have to be very careful every single thing you are doing. So if you want to basically like still target more, you can go for more. Let's say 0, or you can just say just 1. All right, and it might not actually work out the way you expect it to. All right, so you have to be kind of like careful anytime you want to basically like play. You have to be very careful with anything you are playing this game with. All right, you have to be very careful. So that is just one thing I would like to share with everybody that is watching this video. All right, every single time you're playing this game, think of possible ways you can make profit from it. All right, that's just the main thing you basically need to know about the project. That's all. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, let me know in the comment section, guys. Peace.